Get ready to make all of your client pitches way more memorable and get a lot more clients knocking on your door. Today we are talking about video proposals. Whether you see a virtual assistant position on a job board or you see someone on social media saying that they're looking for an assistant, chances are you and dozens, if not hundreds of other people are applying for the same gig. So, how do you help yourself stand out amongst a crowded marketplace? The answer is video. I really want you to create a more personal connection with your client by addressing them directly in the video. Address them by name, talk to them as if you're talking to a friend or as if you're already their virtual assistant. This can humanize your interaction. It makes you feel like a more real, tangible person than just somebody typing behind a laptop all day. It also helps convey your enthusiasm for your job and their needs, and you get to showcase your awesome personality. And I've said it before and I'll say it many more times. People hire people that they like. So if you can convey your personality through a video, there's a higher chance that they're going to remember you and like you more than the other applicants. The second thing you should do on your video is showcase your toolkit or samples of your work. So video representation of things like the tools that you're currently using to run your business or tools that you think are really great or other clients have enjoyed not only makes your proposal more engaging, but it also tangibly demonstrates your capabilities and your tech savviness. And third, and perhaps most importantly, I want you to spend a bulk of your video talking about your enthusiasm for their business, their needs, and most importantly, how your VA services can help them. Oftentimes when we're just writing proposals, trying to spell out complex services or maybe different ways that you could help them could get lost in details. Or maybe you're trying to winnow down your proposal so it's not like 10 pages and you just end up cutting a bunch of your services out. A video is great because you can then convey your value more clearly and more concisely. If you'd like to get some more tips about how video proposals can help you land more clients, check out this interview I did that's popping up right now with Sadiq. He's one of the top sellers on Fiverr, and he did it through video proposals. I think you guys are gonna find a lot of value in his interview, and he inspired me to start doing video proposals myself. So thank you, Sadiq. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.